My name is Sahil Gurmu. I read in class 2. Mango. N N N G O mango. Mango. M A N G O mango. It S mango is S V E R Y very tasty. T A S T Y tasty fruit. F R U I T fruit. It is yellow. Y E L L O W yellow. I N yellow in color. C O L O U R color. It king. K I N G king. O king of fruit. F R U I T S fruits. It national. N N T I O N A N national. Fruit. F R U I T fruit. O F fruit of India. I N D I A India. It C O M E S com I am in summer. S U M M E R summer season. S E A S O X season. Mango is a very tasty fruit. It is yellow in color.